Unknown Gamers. Today we're playing League of something, League Heroes. It's not the full one, but it's free. I'm cheap. I tested it out myself, and it's awesome. Ooh. Oh God, no. I want to test this one. I haven't tested this one. Okay. Alright. Okay. I just downloaded it. I don't know much about this game, but I think it's pretty awesome. Let's do this. It's pretty cool. You should download this. It's a little laggy, but it's fun. It's really awesome. Okay, stop. Fire too. Dead. Don't stop firing. Fireballs. Fireball. Oh God. Not today. Not today. Not today. Not today. No. Don't. I don't know if this is your series mod, but it's pretty awesome. Please download this game, guys. Very cool action game. Yeah. Oh God. Stop it. Yeah. Epic win. Oh God. Yeah, did I win? Yeah. Okay. Return to base. I like to say base. It seems like monsters dropped a few equipment from the sleepers. It's better than nothing. True. Let's see it. Ooh! Nice! Nice! Can I play the other character? No? Okay. And remember guys, I'm pretty new at this game. Say I'm a noob. Let's just say that. Oh no. No, not today. Not today. Very fun game. Wait, let me just... Sorry about that. Someone interrupted me. But, it's really a very fun game. It's actiony too. There's skill. This game takes skill and awesomeness. So make sure to download this. It's free and you can buy it. So if you want the full game. Ooh, Ruby. Okay. I'm the wizard. I'm the hero. I'm the only one. No, I'm not gonna sing. And I just leveled up. Nice. Oh, here's the boss. And here's that. Ooh, the money though. The money though. Jeez, I'm a pro at this game. Wow, I just started it. Now I'm assuming I'm a pro. Nice. A chance to make core equipped will let you kill more minions. Okay. Ooh. achievement. I'm not going crazy. Ultim. Bam. Let's do this one. I don't know if I want to unlock someone. I want to, but I don't want to. Yes. I like to waste my stuff, guys. Okay. Total strength is sum of the hero strength. Okay. Oh, hey, friend! It's kind of like multiplayer. There's computer people. Yeah. Looks awesome. We all leveled up. Okay. Now I got internet. Nice. I didn't want it internet, but okay. Oh god, little laggy. This is a little laggy. This is a little laggy. Yeah. Addictive game. This is very fun. And to be the archer. Ooh, skills. Yeah. The archer is cool. Oh god, no. Eat this. Yeah, hey, eat this. Oh. Okay. Killing someone. Okay, here's the big boss. Use everything at once. That always works. Is the other one? We won ton, apparently. Pro skills. Wait, did we won? Yeah, we won. Oh god. We won. Yeah. Every monster could drop an event equip. Good luck. Okay. I don't really know because let's end this, okay guys? I think we're not gonna be a series. Oh god. Okay, oh. Thanks for that. Oh. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. And I just leveled up. Use this. Use this. Oh god. Not today. Not today. Not today. This game is very addictive. You can download it for free. If you want to buy it, the full thing, then go buy it. I'm not gonna get anything. Oh, Rapper. Gonna it. What that? Yes, but okay. Oh god. Fireball! Just do it. Just do all my notes. And I like the music too. Oh god. It's very... Did we just win that? Really? Oh god, a little lag. Okay. We are the champions of this game, so I build with Apple ways to do Battlefield. Let's go have a look. What? You mean Battlefield? Okay. Okay. Switch heroes to use different skills to win. Okay. I need to hurry up because the video is getting long. Okay. Sorry if I'm not talking very much. It's just concentrating on the game. Oh, nice one. Alright. Okay. It's very fun. There's catfish too. So I guess there's more of the series. Okay. It's going a little long. Okay, there's the boss. Let's just end the boss. Wait, am I looking? No, I'm not looking. I'm not losing. We are the winners! We're the best. Okay. You can go... Okay. These equipment are not enough to your strength, your ability, you must upgrade them. Okay, skill. No one didn't tell me about skill. How about the other hero? Can I change that? No? No, what's the... Can I change the other hero? No. Let's leave the video here. Okay, guys. I'm gonna leave the video here. Make sure to like and subscribe if you are new to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye. Leave a like if you want more, or comment. Bye.